Alright, so what we got here is a Chicago Metra MP36 locomotive that I've installed ESU LokSound in, and this just has a V5 micro. It does not have one of the nanos, which has a whole bunch of extra outputs, or 2 more outputs. So, in order to keep this less expensive, we're going with a V5 micro. And how I'd been wiring these previously was you have your forward headlight. Your yellow is going to be your rear headlight over here that I made a little bracket and put a scrap piece of PCB on. And then underneath this, there's the red marker light, so I don't have to wire in all this light piping up here. And I still had an extra function output here, so I had aux 2. So I threw a little resistor bank or scrap resistor, and then I wired in an LED to have a separate Mars light here and just kind of fished that through there. That way, since, you know, there was a extra function output on there, it's not going to have alternating flashing ditch lights, but at least it'll have the Mars light that'll be flashing away, and that really doesn't take that much longer to add, as opposed to just going in here and using a V5 nano and wiring independent ditch lights and stuff and separating all these, which is a major pain. So we'll get some video of this guy on the track. Alright, so this is just some quick video of that MP36PH in Chicago Metra. This is the Illinois State version, Kobo Custom, that I just installed the LokSound V5 micro in with some abridged lighting in there. So I'm just going to start it up, and I'm going to get some light. You can see you got the alternating Mars light on the front, or the blinking Mars light on the front. And there you go. Custom Kato Kobo Chicago Metra State of Illinois MP36 with an ESU LokSound V5 micro installed. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.